What's up guys, Terrence here. Today we're about to get Novastrosity from out the snow. We're about to get Novastrosity into the garage, guys. I'm gonna dig it out. The snow is melting pretty fast, guys, because it's about 42 degrees right now. Really nice. Still got a little chill in the air, but it's great to see the temperature's gonna be uprise. It's gonna be 48 degrees this coming Saturday, and I'm excited to just get all the good weather coming in so I can get all this amazing content for you guys to show you guys some really cool, inspirational, awesome content, and a bunch of amazing how-tos. So let's get the Nova dug out, guys, and get it into the garage finally so we can get to working on it. We got to get Novastrosity ready, guys. Let's get it in the garage. So it's time to dig it out. All right, guys. Novastrosity ready to get into the garage. As you can see, the snow is rapidly melting away, and then I got both of these car covers on. Got the cheap one on here, and I got a really good one, but the one on top, it was made for a smaller vehicle, but hey, we got it to work. And this one tore right here, but the bumpers are fiberglass, so that's not going to affect anything. They'll look the same way. 60% of this car is fiberglass, so I'm not worried about rust or anything. I probably can slide the car cover off, slide the snow off. I'll remove that little stake I got on top there to hold the car in place. And just my goal is to kind of dig this out. So let's mount the camera up and time lapse this. I'm gonna time lapse this, guys. It's time to get this boy up out of here. I'm gonna pull it out of here. Turn the steering wheel and pull it out with a tow cable I got. But I gotta get the Camaro out the garage first. So let me figure out which pattern I'm gonna do first, guys, and I'll show you guys everything. We got it in, guys. And now the fun begins. It's time to have fun with Novastrosity. So, the next video, guys, I'll be showing, we're gonna install both batteries in the trunk. And we're gonna add the purge valve on the blower. And a couple more things I want to show you guys. So, we got it in here. Guys, I was told this car weigh around 2,500 pounds with all the things that's been done to it. But I'm curious to see. I'm curious, man. That'll be incredible if it weighs that much because, like I said, everything's pretty much fiberglass on here. So we're gonna weigh it, guys, in the garage. I have a Proform automotive scale that's pretty accurate, guys, and I can't wait to show you guys the video. We're gonna weigh this thing as well as the Mustang and the Camaro and my big brother's race car and my little brother's race car. Just awesome content coming to the channel. You guys gonna see us race our cars. It's gonna be so much fun. All right, until the next video. We'll be back.